warmed up. I thought I had broken it, but no, they
Wasn't
took
broken.
no, they took the scan. It wasn't broken. They thought I had broken it prior to that. That it was already broken, which I never knew. But
Did you have anything done to it after this fight?
No.
Just rest.
no, just rest and let the swelling go down. And,
And what are your thoughts about the fact that, and I can't get an answer yet, why this is happening? Bruno Silva was fighting on March 5th in a
Yeah.
championship fight in Mexico.
well, I guess he's there at that age where he wants to be ready and be in rhythm. I guess I don't know.
But are you at all kind of annoyed because
I don't know.
certainly
Let him do what he does. As long as he's ready to fight. I mean, of course, I'm thinking hopefully he don't get cut. So many things could go wrong, and there goes my opportunity. But knowing how Bob Arum is, it's like if that is the case, I know Bob Arum won't let us down. Like he could have, the last show when Chavez Jr. fell off, it was something he could have canceled the show, but he didn't. He's just that type of guy. So I'm not really worried about
But
it.
he's fighting a guy that he fought. This is a rematch for him also.
Yeah, and
In the first fight, gave him some trouble. He went 12 rounds. It was
Yeah.
only like a 2-point fight on a couple
Yeah.
of scorecards. So, and if the other guy wins, I don't think Monteros is obligated to face you 2 months later.
Yeah, well, they're not going for the title. So
Oh, it is a title fight.
I heard it was head on. I
Well,
don't know.
maybe they changed that. I'll have to check.
That's the last that I heard. It was title fight, not non-title fight.
But I'm thinking more along the lines of a cut broken.
Yeah, that's what, of course, that thing that I thought about. But what am I going to tell them? No, don't fight. Is he going to lose?
Will you be paying attention to television or the
Oh, of course,
internet that night?
I'll watch it. Yeah.
Are you assuming that there's going to be that this is a trilogy? I'm assuming you think you're going to win.
Yeah, it could happen, like looking back at Morales, Ferreira, like something I would think, why the hell would they want to fight each other? The beating they would take in the fight, really, but now that I'm here, I can't wait to get back in there with them, to be honest with you, and yeah, yes, I'm still hungry, and it feels great to be a part of it. I never thought I would be a part of something like
Do
that.
you guys know each other at all besides from your fight?
No, not really, I just met him at the press conference the last fight before.
Some guys, did you guys have like a decent rapport with each other, like kind of like get along, or was there animosity?
No, it was respect for one another. Yeah, he was a cool guy. I mean, I really didn't know the guy, so I didn't know what to expect. But I went up there, I always said hi to all my opponents, and he was really receiving. And that's it.